Good morning everyone. So I'll do a quick update post-summer. We're just into autumn now. Perth had a really brutal summer, to be honest. I think in February alone we're over 6 days above 40. Plenty of heat waves, 36 plus for a week straight. So yeah. The avocado actually fared alright. You can see plenty of crisp leaves on it. It was burnt. It's had another flush of growth, as you can see, coming out, so it's sort of hiding it. A lot of leaves have dropped off into my pool, but it's fared pretty well, so I'm happy with that. Mango, not quite as well. As you can see, it's a prime one here. Had a flush, then we got a heat wave of 40-degree plus weather. All the leaves got crispied. I ended up putting some shade cloth over it. As you see the bamboo there, it was holding it off. It's had another flush since then, so new growth. It's actually starting to shape up all right. But it was not quite a full disaster, but the Rollinia absolutely toasted. Some new shoots coming out, you can see, and a few green leaves down the bottom. But yeah, overall, it'll bounce back. But yeah, pineapple's still chipping away down there. Now I've got a few pots down here. I've got jackfruit tweed crisps, get it out, and lacumas. So yeah, a couple seeds I got, so hopefully they germinate and get a bit of growth before winter kicks in. But yeah, plenty of other growth in the rest of the garden, but this is the area that cops full sun and cop the brunt of it, really. Anyway, happy gardening.